Hello, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and a special thanks to Karen for giving me the permission to send you guys this video. Now, this video is simply informational. Everything that we're going to discuss here today, you're definitely able to do yourself, and I highly encourage that you do so yourself, okay? Basically, I'm just going to be giving you some tips and tricks on how you can become more relevant online, landing more clients, and essentially putting more money into your pocket, okay? So, there's three things that we're going to talk about today, okay? First one is going to be content. Second is going to be backlinks. And then the last thing we're going to talk about is citations, okay? And if you don't know what those three things are, no worries. I'm going to break it all down for you. First and foremost, I'd like to talk about your website here. And I honestly got to say that it's a super clean website. I mean, I don't have anything bad to say about it. It's actually really nice. But unfortunately, Google doesn't really care how nice a website is, right? All they care about is content and the amount of words you have on on your landing page, right? On your home page of your website. So a dominant website has anywhere between 1,500 to 2,000 words on their landing page. And if I were to highlight all of the words that you have here on your page, I can almost guarantee you that it's nowhere near 1,500 to 2,000. So yeah, 259. So we're definitely going to want to bump that up, especially if you want to become more relevant online. You're going to need to bump up your words, okay? And then using relevant keywords, being put in here in your content, like cleaning services, Hackettstown, or sanitation companies, Hackettstown, New Jersey, just things like that, right? Google wants to know that you're able to answer questions from people that are searching, like buyer intent keywords, people that are ready to purchase your product. All right, and then so I went on ahead and copied your website here, Modern Clean, and I went ahead and put it on inside my tool here, okay? This tool is called Ahrefs, and it allows me to see basically how many backlinks, referring domains, basically what's going on behind the scenes on your website, right? This is a paid tool. Obviously, I'm in the industry, so but there are a lot of other free tools that you can use so you can see what I'm seeing, okay? Like if you were to just Google like keyword finder or a backlink researcher, free, right? Things like that, and those tools would pop up for you. Okay, so first and foremost, we're seeing here that there are 49 referring domains. These are just basically the amount of websites that are pushing traffic to your website, okay? And backlinks are just the amount of times these websites are pushing traffic. So they're doing so 286 times. As you can see here, you have 52 relevant keywords, bringing you 81 people to see your website per month. Now, this is a rough estimate, okay? Tools are not completely 100% accurate. Obviously, you're going to give or take a few, okay? Now, if we look at your competitors here, TrueClean, I went on ahead and plugged theirs in here too, okay? And as you can see, they have 90 referring domains and 981, okay? So they're kind of blowing you out of the water at the moment, especially with keywords. They have 834 keywords, 305 people are visiting their website per month, and look at that traffic value, the amount of value that those people are bringing in, $994 compared to your $1 over here. You're definitely missing out on some money, okay, by not being number one on Google. All right, and then the last thing that I want to talk to you about, or I should say, before we move on to citations, I just want to let you know that not all domains and backlinks are created equal, okay? Google knows that you're not a Chick-fil-A. Google knows that you're not a restaurant, right? So the websites that are pushing traffic towards your website need to be relative to what you do, right? So maybe a cleaning blog post, other cleaning companies that are referring back to you, they give you more power, more relevancy, and it allows Google to find you even better, which is why your domain power here. Look at these guys. They're at an 8 and you're at a 4. Okay, so that kind of shows you a lot, right? So now, lastly, the last thing we're going to talk about today, and I realized that I put East Hanover, so we're going to put, let's see, Hackettstown, right? All right. So the moneymaker is going to be right here in this map pack. All right, this is what we call the map pack. I don't know if you're like me, but I don't normally go down here to the second or third page of Google to find what I'm looking for, right? Especially if I'm in a new town, I'm usually going to trust this map pack here because it either shows me what's near me or it'll answer my question as to what I'm looking for, right? So this is where all the traffic, this is where all the money is going to. If you're not in this map pack, then I'm sorry to say you're missing out on a lot of money. You're leaving a lot of money on the table, okay? So the way you get up on this map pack, I guess I should explain that to you, is you need to have more citations than your competitors, okay? The reason that your competitors are on here is because their business name, their phone number, their website, their address can be found in several different directories, okay? And a directory, if you're wondering what that is anywhere like yellow pages, white pages, you've got Home Advisor, you've got Angie's List, a whole bunch of directories, right? Anywhere that you can find your business name, address, phone number, as I said, website, is considered a citation, okay? So as long as you're able to have more citations than your competitors, then you could definitely rank up here in the map pack, bringing you more clients, okay? Now, you're probably wondering where to go from here, right? So you have two things that you can do, right? As I stated in the beginning of the video, you can definitely do this yourself, right? Do the research, take the time to implement everything that I told you, ensuring that you have 1,500 to 2,000 words on that landing page, ensuring that you have more citations than your competitors, and those backlinks, if they're good enough to rank your opponent, then they're good enough to rank you. Just got to do the research and see where your competitors are getting their backlinks from, like where they're getting their traffic from, right? Or if you need any help for whatever reason, you could definitely reach out to me. Obviously, I'm in the industry and I can help lead you and guide you in any way that you see fit. If you're needing help, I can definitely help you out. If you wanted to be #1 in cleaning in Hackettstown or even in East Hanover, you could definitely reach out to me and we can see what we can do to get you to #1 in New Jersey. All right. Well, thank you so much for your time, guys. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Have a good day.